Hello, in this WordPress tutorial, I will guide you on how to manually install a theme in WordPress using the admin dashboard. My name is Isaac from StormerHost. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Under the dashboard menu, hover your mouse over Appearance and click on Themes. Click on Upload Themes and then select Choose File and choose a theme compressed in a zip file from your PC or laptop. In this tutorial, I will choose Astra themes on my PC. Note: if your zip file contains a folder like an upload, first extract the contents of the upload files and then compress the theme file. Click on Install Now. It will take a few minutes to upload a theme, and then if it is successfully installed, it will show a message, Theme successfully installed. Now click on Activate. Congratulations, you have manually installed and activated a new WordPress theme. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.